Today is a great day as we take this opportunity to congratulate and recognize the hard work and sacrifice of our September 2021 graduates. We are so excited for you and what your future holds. The essential skills that you have learned at Perry Tech are something that you should be very proud of. And no matter what challenges you face in life, those skills will always be there to serve you. At this time, it is my pleasure to congratulate the students of the following programs for reaching this milestone today: Agriculture and Diesel Equipment Technology, Automotive Technology, Construction and Carpentry Technology, Electrical Technology, Instrumentation and Industrial Automation Technology, Medical Assistant, Medical Office Administration and Coding, Plumbing Technician, Precision Machining and Manufacturing, and Welding Technology. I want you to know that as you venture out into the workforce, Perry Tech will be here for you. You now belong to an ever-growing network of more than 11,000 alumni who have come before you. While we are excited for you to start the next chapter in life, I hope that you will remain connected with us. Go forth, accomplish great things, and congratulations to all of you.